So in this video, we are going to be solving the questions you are going to be expecting on numbers and plate values. Now, this is a question you are going to be expecting in your maths exam in KCPE, and as much people who are going to be solving questions on dates. Now, the first one says, which one of the following numbers has the smallest value? Now, in order to solve this question, we need to identify which of the number is smallest here. Now, all we need to do is gradually we'll start eliminating the biggest numbers. Now, what we need to do here, it's we're going to check all through. Now, there's one here, there's one, there's one, there's one. First of all, you need to establish that all the numbers are 6-digit numbers. So once you've established that they are all 6-digit numbers, that leaves you to start checking from the first value here. So 1, 1, 1, 1. So they are all okay. So now this is 1. Now this is the biggest number here. Anyone that has 1 at the second place, it's big. So this is off. So this is big. Now this is big. So we are left with these two numbers. Now we have 0 here, we have 0 here, so they are okay. So we have 1 here, we have 1 here, they are still okay. Now we have 1 here on the fourth place, and we have 0 on the fourth place here. So that means this is bigger. So the smallest value of number here is going to be D. So our correct answer here is D. Okay, so question 2 says, what is number 29853 when rounded to the nearest thousand? Now, when rounding to your nearest thousand, you need to identify that this, okay, this is the units. Now, this is your tens, this is your thousand, this is your hundreds. Okay, now this is your thousand. So we want to round off to the nearest thousand. So when we have 29853, we're going to look at the number next to 1000, which is the hundreds. That's it. Since this number is above 5, we are going to approximate this number to we're going to approximate this place. Then once we approximate here, we'll add that one here. This is going to change to 30,000. So the correct answer is 30,000 rounded off to the nearest thousand. So the correct answer here is D. So I'll circle my D. So the next question says, what is the total value of digit 6 and the number? Now, okay, so we have 4607580. One best way to do this is to put a comma after the counting from the right to the left. So put my comma here, I'll put my comma here. Okay, so you know that here it's our units, here's our tens, here's our thousand, our hundred. Now here it's our thousand. Okay, now this is what? Tens of thousand. Okay, so now this 6 will now be hundreds of thousand. Okay, so after identifying that, that means this is going to be 600,000. That's 100,000. So it's going to be 600,000. So our correct answer here it's B. Okay, so I'll circle my B. Now, if this is your first time coming to this channel, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Also, do comment if you have any question for us. And please don't forget to share the video with your friends so that you all can learn together. Now, question 17 says, what is the difference between the total value of digit 3 and digit 9 in the number 6803901? Okay, now so from here we have our number to be 6803901. Okay, now I want you to notice that it's asking between the 3 and the 9. Now remember, here is your what? Units. This is your what? Tens. This is your what? 100, and this is your 1000. So we have 3000. And we're looking for the difference between 3,000 and 900. Now, when you subtract these, you're going to get 2,100. So your final answer here is going to be B. Okay, so the next question says, which one of the following is 5020 5082 in words? Okay, the best way to approach this question is to forget about the option and write it out yourself. So we have 5020 5082. I'll put my comma here. Okay, so from here I can see the first thing I'll put is 50 million. Now this is going to be 205,000, 205,000. Then we'll have 82 and 82. Okay, so the first one says 52 million and 50. No, this is wrong. 52 million 5,000. No, this is wrong. 52 million 200,000. No, this is wrong. 52 million 205,082. So our correct answer here is going to be D. Okay, so as easy as that, you can identify the number in words. Now this question says, what is 468.389 rounded off to the nearest tenth? Now this question is a bit tricky. 0.3894. We're rounding this off to the nearest tenth. Now notice this is tenths, this is hundredths, and the next one is thousands, and the next one is tenths of thousands. So tens of thousands. So in order to solve this, rounding this off to the nearest tenth, we're going to look at the next number here. Now we can approximate this. So this is going to be 468 points. Approximate this, we're going to get what? 4. So this is the final answer, rounded up to the nearest tenth. So our correct answer here is D. So this is going to be D, C, D, and E. So our correct answer is D. Now the next question. Okay, so this question says, what is 399.90485 rounded off to the nearest 100? Now, this question is similar to the previous one. So we have 399.90485. Now, as usual, this is your tenths. This is now your hundredths. Now, we're going to work on this. Is this up to 5? No. So since it's not up to 5, we're going to round it up. This will be 9, so there will be no one adding up because it's not up to 5. So this is going to be 399.90. So this is our final answer. So I'm going to take my C. Okay, so now the final question for this says, what is the place value of 7 in the number 3470268? Now 3470268. And one way to do this is from 7 put 0000. So this is going to be 70,000. So it's going to be 70,000. So our correct answer here is going to be C. And that is how to solve the place value in numbers. And if this is your first time of hitting this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. And don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get more topical videos from us.